Bita. Welcome to my Ayurvedic remedy. I love to share with you a remedy that is one of my favorite. It's called gold milk. It's very balancing for Vata season. Generally in the season and with the individual of Vata dosha, milk is very difficult to digest as it creates a gas and bloating and constipation, because Vata digestive system is very slow and variable. And it does the same thing for individual with the Kapha dosha, meaning the digestive system is slow. It will create weight gaining, lethargy, and mucus in the stomach and digestive tract, leading to congestion. Gold milk, however, on the other hand, it's very balancing both for Vata and Kapha dosha. And if you have an individual constitution of Pitta, you don't have to worry about it, because Pitta digestive system is strong and can digest easily. Ingredient that you need for this is 1/4 of a cup water, 1 cup milk. You need honey for the end, cinnamon and cardamom, turmeric, and we also need saffron and 2 tablespoons of almond oil to add in to the milk. Once you have all your ingredients, you will pour your water inside your saucepan. You put 1/8 of a teaspoon of turmeric. Make sure I have the right spoon, and you add that to your saucepan. You take about 3 cardamom, and you want it like so you don't want to crush it or anything, just like that. And you open your cinnamon and take a small bark of the cinnamon. You don't need a big amount, and you add that also to your spices. Once everything in, you start your heat. And I think I did unplug this for you. I will plug it in. Once you have that set, starting your heat, adjusting your temperature to medium high, and you're bringing all your spices cooking for about 5 minutes. Now it's ready for us to add the milk into the spices. So we pour the 1 cup milk here, and we will add the 2 tablespoons of almond oil, and we will add few threads of saffron. You don't add honey at this step, because honey is to be added at the very end. And once you add everything, you want to wait till milk start boiling. And here also you have to notice that the spices that we are putting in here, it change the quality of the milk and make the milk easy to digest. Cardamom and cinnamon, they are both a stimulant for the digestive system, and they digest the mucus in the stomach and make the milk easy to digest. Once milk is digested, it cools and clogs the blood. As the circulation stagnate, the lung and the sinus and all the other cavity fill up with fluid, especially the mucus, and this makes it very difficult for the Kapha and Vata. But by adding the spice of turmeric, which has the name gold milk is after the turmeric, into it, it will heat up the blood and melt the mucus, and it will make it easy to digest both for Vata and Kapha, and make it a very beautiful tonic, rejuvenating for the season. Once everything is ready, you add it to your cup, and you can add a teaspoon of honey, and it will be ready to serve warm and enjoy. It's a wonderful recipe. So we're just still waiting to see if this is start boiling. Whether you are Vata or Kapha or Pitta dosha, in this season, you can really enjoy this remedy. It is very enhancing the rejuvenation system, great for reproductive system, and is fantastic for the joint because turmeric also has the quality of anti-inflammatory. So once you have everything, you add your honey. I think for myself 1 teaspoon to half a teaspoon of honey would be more than enough for this remedy. Once you add your honey, just beautiful, and then you can have everything ready and you have a wonderful cup of the gold milk to enjoy. From my Ayurvedic kitchen to yours, may it bring you health, happiness and joy. Very yummy.